Ever wondered when the mating season for foxes is or how they reproduce? It's a topic that might not cross your mind every day, but it's an integral part of understanding these sly and cunning creatures. From the courtship process to the birth of their pups, every step in a fox's reproduction cycle is a marvel to behold. It's a journey filled with fascinating behaviors and survival tactics unique to these fascinating creatures. So, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of fox reproduction. The mating season for foxes is quite specific. For most species of fox, the season of love usually falls between January and February. However, this timing is not set in stone and can vary slightly depending on the region where the foxes reside. In warmer climates, it's not uncommon for the mating season to start a bit earlier or extend a bit later. But let's go back a step and discuss how these cunning creatures prepare for the mating season. It's not as simple as just picking a mate and getting down to business. No, foxes have a whole pre-season routine to get through first. As the year winds down, foxes start to bulk up. They consume more food to gain the necessary weight to sustain them through the harsh winter months and the taxing mating season. This is crucial as the foxes need all the energy they can get for the upcoming courtship rituals and eventually the act of mating itself. During this time, the male foxes also start marking their territories more aggressively. They use their scent to lay claim to specific areas, warning off rival males and attracting potential mates. It's a way of saying, "This is my turf and I am ready for love." And the female foxes, they're busy preparing too. They start to groom themselves more meticulously, making sure they're in the best possible condition to attract a mate. They're also on the lookout for these territorial markers, using them to gauge which males are the most dominant and therefore the best potential partners. So, while it might seem like just another harsh winter for us, for the foxes, it's a time of intense preparation and anticipation. They're not just surviving the cold, they're getting ready for one of the most important events of their lives. It's fascinating, isn't it? How even in the midst of winter, life finds a way to continue. So the harsh winter months are a time of love for our furry friends. The fox courtship process is a complex and intriguing dance. It is a blend of sounds, movements, and behaviors that is as fascinating as it is unique. In the world of foxes, courtship is not a quick or straightforward affair. It begins with the male fox, or dog fox, making a series of sharp, shrill noises known as geckering. This sound, which is both an invitation to a potential mate and a warning to rival males, can be heard echoing through the night during the mating season. It's the fox version of a serenade, a call that says, "I am strong, I am capable, and I am ready to mate." The female fox, or vixen in turn, responds with her own set of behaviors. She may respond to the male's geckering with similar sounds of her own, signaling her receptiveness. Additionally, she may display a series of body postures and movements, such as arching her back or wagging her tail, to signal her readiness to mate. It's a delicate dance, a conversation of sorts, played out in sounds and movements. But the courtship process doesn't end there. In fact, the pair's playful antics are just beginning. Foxes are known for their playful behavior, and this extends to their courtship. The pair may engage in a series of chases, mock fights, and other playful activities, a kind of playful flirtation that strengthens their bond and prepares them for the act of mating. These behaviors, from the male's geckering to the female's receptive postures to the pair's playful antics, are all part of the complex courtship process of foxes. They are more than just a means to an end. They are an integral part of the fox's social structure, a way of strengthening bonds and ensuring the survival of the species. Each step in the process, each sound, movement, and behavior is essential to the fox's courtship ritual. It's a dance that is as intricate as it is beautiful, a testament to the complexity and sophistication of nature. It's clear that foxes have a unique and captivating courtship ritual. Now let's discuss the act of mating itself. Foxes, like many other animals, have a unique and intriguing process when it comes to mating. The most notable aspect of fox mating is the tie phenomenon. This is a biological mechanism where the male and female fox become physically locked together during the act. It's a sight that can be quite surprising if you're not familiar with it. This tie isn't a mere happenstance, it plays a crucial role in the fox's reproductive process. But what exactly is this tie, and why does it occur? The tie happens when the male's organ swells after penetration, preventing the two foxes from separating immediately. The tie can last anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, during which the male fox continues to release sperm. It's nature's way of ensuring the survival of the species by maximizing the chances of successful fertilization. Now you might be wondering, isn't this tie uncomfortable or even dangerous for the foxes? Well, surprisingly, the tie isn't harmful. It might seem a bit awkward, but it's a perfectly natural part of fox reproduction. The female fox can even move around with the male still attached, although it's a bit of a waddle. Additionally, the tie serves another important function. It prevents other males from mating with the female during this crucial period. The male fox essentially guards the female, ensuring that his genes have the best chance of being passed on to the next generation. So while it might seem strange to us, the tie is a fascinating adaptation that has evolved over millions of years. It showcases the intricate ways nature works to ensure the survival and proliferation of a species. Remember, every aspect of an animal's behavior, even the ones that seem odd to us, has a purpose in the grand scheme of life. The tie is no exception. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the natural world. Despite its peculiarities, this tie is a crucial part of fox reproduction. After successful mating, the next stage is the gestation period. A pivotal time in the life cycle of a fox, the gestation period is approximately 52 days, just shy of 2 months. This duration may seem short, especially when compared to a human's 9 months, but it's crucial to remember that foxes, like all wildlife, live by the rapid rhythm of nature. During this time, the female fox, or vixen, undergoes significant changes. She must prepare for the impending birth, and part of this preparation involves creating a safe and secure environment for her future offspring. This is where the concept of the fox den comes into play. The vixen will either dig a new den or clean out an old one, ensuring it is ready for the arrival of her cubs. The den serves multiple purposes. It offers protection from predators, provides a safe space for the vulnerable newborns, and serves as a home base for the family in the coming months. The vixen's careful preparation illustrates the instinctual dedication and maternal care that foxes, like many animals, exhibit. After the weeks of anticipation, the moment of birth finally arrives. The vixen gives birth to a litter of, on average, 4 to 5 cubs. These cubs are born incredibly small, blind, and utterly dependent on their mother for survival. It's a fragile time, but also one filled with potential. The mother fox will devote herself entirely to her cubs' care, feeding them, keeping them warm, and protecting them from any threats. The father fox, too, plays a role in the upbringing of the cubs, hunting and bringing food back to the den. This shared responsibility underscores the importance of family within the fox community. The birth of these cubs marks the beginning of a new generation of foxes. Each one holds the potential to grow, survive, and eventually contribute to the continuation of their species. It's a testament to the incredible cycle of life that exists in the animal kingdom. With the birth of these tiny cubs, the cycle of fox life continues. It's been an enlightening journey into the world of fox reproduction. We've delved into the intricacies of their mating season, a time marked by fascinating behaviors and unique rituals that are as varied as the fox species themselves. The courtship process, a delicate dance of signals and responses, is a testament to the complex social structures that foxes navigate. We've seen how males and females communicate, marking territories and signaling readiness, all in the pursuit of finding the perfect mate. Then we've journeyed into the act of mating itself, a delicate balance of timing and instinct. It's a process that's as much about survival as it is about reproduction. It's a time when the survival of the species hangs in the balance, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Following this, we've explored the gestation period and birth, a time of nurturing and growth. The care and protection provided by the fox parents during this period underscores the importance of family bonds in the animal kingdom. In understanding these aspects of a fox's life, we've gained a deeper appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Their mating rituals, their care for their young, and their survival instincts are all integral parts of their life cycle. Understanding these aspects of a fox's